guys, if you're new here, I'm Janae and I'm gonna be your new favorite YouTuber. Oh my god. So if you're looking for content that is for life in your 20s, about growth, about self-care, about faith, about just literally anything, and sometimes skincare, then I am the girl for you. And if you don't already follow me on Instagram or TikTok, baby, it's gonna be somewhere on the screen. I just need you to click that button. By the time you see this video, I'll probably like already, you know, got some pictures. So let's just pretend that I put some pictures like right there, like, oh, don't the pictures just eat? I know the pictures are eating down. This look, first of all, let me pick up the camera so you can get into like the face. It's just so flawless. I had to revitalize my flip over method. I've had it in for probably about like a week and a half now, and baby, that thing, what they don't tell you is that thing begins to slide back, babe. It begins to slide back. If you're looking for inspo or you just want to get ready with me, then go ahead and continue to watch this video. And again, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
So we're just gonna get started with my hair. As you can see, I look crazy. I washed the front and I'm adding a little bit of heat protectant. I'm going to blow dry my hair. I want to get it as straight as possible before I curl it. Although my natural hair does not match the texture of my extensions, once I blow dry it and I curl it, it's going to blend perfectly like you seen at the beginning of the video. I did not record a full tutorial on me doing this flip over method, but there is a quick version located on my TikTok, so if you're interested in that, go ahead and head over to my TikTok. Edge control is honestly going to be your best friend. I've been using the red one, so what I try to do is slick my baby hairs forward and then slick the rest of my leave out backwards so that it covers the end of the tracks. Don't be afraid to use quite a bit of edge control. If your hair is completely natural like mine, you can see it'll begin to curl up a little bit, but you're gonna want to use a blow dryer and a tad bit of spritz. I told y'all in the beginning of this video that this thing begins to slide back because it is on a stocking cap, and when you're wetting the hair, I guess it just loosens up a little bit. A bobby pin will fix that. Once your hair is molded just how you like it, go ahead and style it to the desired look. I wanted more of a bang like you see in the beginning of the video, so I just brushed it back and attempted to, you know, get that bang look. I do not recommend using mousse like I did. I was in such a hurry and it takes quite some time to dry. So you can skip this step unless you're going to let your hair dry overnight. Other than that, I would just suggest using a flexi rod or a wand curler, and it'll give you the desired look that you've seen. Now let's get to my favorite part of the video, the makeup. I'm starting off with the La Roche-Posay, and as you can see, I do have quite a bit of hyperpigmentation and I do have extremely sensitive skin, so I try to create a skin barrier. I feel like the La Roche-Posay does exactly what I needed to do. Then I go in with the e.l.f. Power Grip. This is like the stickiest primer that I've ever tried. It's affordable, it's light, and it has your makeup sticking all day. Start off by brushing those eyebrows up. I like to get mine arched before I do my makeup, just so I can get that perfect shape that I'm looking for. I'm no eyebrow expert, but as someone who previously could not do their eyebrows, I try to follow the line and make a little like diagonal, and then I follow a triangle. follow up with some concealer just so that shape can be T. And I'm using Tarte in the color Tan Deep Sand. Now that my eyebrows are all blended out, I like to go in with this eyebrow pen just for the front of my brows so it looks a little bit more realistic. After all of that is done, I do go in and do a little bit of color correction. I'm using the LA Pro Girl Concealer just so I can even out those dark spots before I put on my foundation. I found out that a damp beauty blender blends out way better than a dry one, so I use some of my Evian facial mist and then I blend out that concealer. Because I want more of a full coverage look, I'm going in with my NARS. I'm not sure if I just got a defective product, but the nozzle on this is not that great. So I like to go in with a brush when I'm applying my foundation. After your foundation is all blended out, I like to go in with my brightest concealer in the corner and then my more darker concealer on the ends. In order to get that seamless look and get rid of those harsh lines, start off with the edge of your concealer and then blend up into the rest. I do like for my concealer to dry a little bit, but in the event that it dries a little bit too much, I then go back in with my facial mist just to wake that concealer back up. Remember when we talked about using brighter concealer shades in the corner? You can really see my eyes start to wake up as this look continues. Alright, now we're almost done, so let's focus on the eye. Before applying lashes, I do like to put on a little bit of mascara on the bottom row and then a little on the top as well. While we let our mascara dry, let's put on a little bit of blush. I'm using the e.l.f. liquid blush, and this orange undertone, oh, chef's kiss. I'm also going to go in with Juvia's Place. I think it's volume 2 that I'll be using. But chocolate skin with an orange blush and topped off with some more pink just really gives you that happy, flawless cheekbone structure.
Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just on myself to keep playing this record back over and over.
we're using quite a bit of bright colors on our chocolate skin, so let's restore some of that tone by bronzing and contouring. Let's set that under eye now that we've put on our blush and our contour. So I'm going in with Sacha Buttercup, and this is one of my favorite powders. If you've been following along with this tutorial, then you should be at this step of putting on your lashes. Because I have on nails, I'm going to have to use a tweezer, but usually I can just snip it on with my fingers. Before we put on our setting spray, you're just going to take your foundation brush and blend out those flaws and harsh lines that you may see. Spray that face, baby. You never know what outside has planned for you. Every girl needs a lip combo, and this was inspired by another creator that I seen on here. I think her name is Charmaine. This is Juvia's Place lip liner in the shade Brownie, and then we're going to follow up with some NYX and a little bit of gloss. Our makeup is all done, and we can finally take our hair down. At this point, I'm just trying to rush and get to Usher because I know he was waiting on me.
Look, eat down. Oh, I cannot.
This is the finished look. I honestly forgot to film an outro, but if this video was helpful, go ahead and like and leave me some comments.
See you next time. Bye.